side of the river. There's a river on both sides of this island. Right in the middle of town. Another incredible piece of art. And a spectacular tree. That goes way up there. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed my little tour of Puerto Vallarta on the little island river. Or the island in the middle of the river. Very peaceful and quiet. You can hear lots of birds and good music. We're going to cross this little bridge. A beach to hang out on. Shaky swingy bridge. Whoa, thing is cool. Now we're gonna leave the island and go down the river a little bit and see what's down there. Now we're on just a little street down the edge of the river. There's a little Mexican town back here. Beautiful flowers. Almost everywhere you go in Mexico there are beautiful flowers and beautiful trees. I'm going to get off the street now. And take this little walk back here. Walk alongside the river. There's some neat art, some neat graffiti, and some cool art too. Most art you see in Puerto Vallarta is really fancy murals of animals and creatures. You can hear the river. And there might be a crocodile. Looking for a crocodile. See if I can find one.